it's me, Summer, and I'm back with another video. First of all, let's just put this out there. Obviously, if you've watched any of my other videos or know me, I look a little bit different. I dyed my hair very blonde, and I got new glasses, which isn't like majorly different, but yeah. And yeah, so my hair is a lot lighter than pretty much than it ever has been. I dyed it myself. Well, actually my boyfriend's mum did it for me, and at first I was like, what have I done? Because it just was like, hello, I'm yellow. So my hair was yellow for a few days, then I got some purple shampoo and it's all good. I really like it now. Anyway, back to what the point of the video is. So today I'm going to be talking about and showing you how to get long, cute ass nails that last a while and are literally dirt cheap. So what I do is, my little secret is I don't get acrylic nails. I do them myself. But I don't do acrylic nails myself, which I have done and didn't really succeed. But what I do is I get stick-on nails. It's not like a crazy new thing. You know, everyone knows about stick-on nails, just literally glue, nail, done. But there's certain things that I've learned over a period of time of using them and how to make them last and just how amazing they are. Personally, acrylic nails are not for me. I find they're way too expensive. They're too time consuming. To get them done every 2 weeks is just effort, to be honest with you, and they ruin your nails. Like, I've had acrylic nails before and I just find that my nails afterwards are dead. They're just dead. My point is, I don't like acrylic nails, and this is my alternative. I'm going to be showing you how I do them in the next part of this video so that you can do it yourself. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you hit that thumbs up if you like this video. I'm uploading videos every single week, so make sure you keep your eyes checked out. Anyway, so if you want to see exactly how I do my nails, carry on watching and I shall show you how I did it. So step one with how I do my nails is obviously to get some kind of nails. So the ones I use are Amazon ones, and these were about £6. They were so affordable and I got 600 pieces, which is insane. I did used to use the Superdrug ones as well, but these ones work perfectly. The first step is to size each nail up to my nail bed. I've written on each packet which nail tends to go with which nail, but I always double check. The next step is to use a cuticle pusher to push down my nails, and this just makes it a lot easier to apply the nails and makes them look a lot better. The next step is to clip my nails down. Now, I don't tend to clip my nails too far down, as I do like to have natural nails sometimes and I don't want them really short. Also, I don't find they're an issue under nails anyway, you can't see them. So I just clip them down just to be a bit neater. Then I just file the nails down just so, again, they're a little bit neater, because I like to do this after I've clipped my nails just to give them a smoother edge. The next step is pretty much one of the most important parts of making your nails last, and that's to file the surface of the nail. This just means that the glue will stick better onto the actual nail. I find my nails last so much longer when I do this. So the glue that I choose every time is this glue by Kiss, and it's called Powerflex. I find this one's really great in terms of it lasts ages, it sticks on your nails really well, and if I apply it right and the glue is new, then my nails tend to last up to 2 weeks, which is really good. So here I'm just applying it straight onto the nail, and onto the fake nail, and then I stick it down and I hold it there for 30 seconds just to make sure it's all bonded properly. Here are my nails fully on. Woo. My hands they look really weird when they're not painted, but trust me, they look cute as when you've got them painted. Afterwards, I just file the nails down to the right shape, and I do that until I'm happy with the length and the shape. By the way, if you see a dog underneath the table that I'm filming on, that'll be my boyfriend's dog. She decided to sit there whilst I was filming. When I shape my nails, I tend to compare them by literally holding my nails side by side to see what the shape's like, and that's how I get an even shape all over. For my nail colour, I chose a dark brown this time, as I had a light colour last time, and I was feeling the dark. So yeah, obviously it's quite obvious what you do. You just paint your nail like normal. You can always go around it with a cotton bud afterwards and some nail varnish remover if you do get it on your hands. These are my nails done. I do have one final step though, just as a finishing touch, and that is a top coat. I never really used to do a top coat, or sometimes I just wouldn't bother, but I found recently that it really makes a difference, makes them look so much neater and cleaner and shiny, so I always do a top coat now. And again, you just apply that all over and you're pretty much done. Here are the final nails. I was really happy with the shape this time. I like the coffin shape. I always choose that one. Yeah, so that is how I do my nails. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching it this far. If you're like me and you love having your nails done, this is just the perfect way. And I felt I needed to make this video because it's something that I am so happy about, that I have it in my life. And I just want to share with the world how I do it and all the tips and tricks I've picked up along the way. If you like this kind of video, make sure you hit that thumbs up and give me a little subscribe if you haven't already. I do lots of other little fashion videos and vlogs and tips and tricks, so make sure you go and check out my channel. If you want to see more of my face, make sure you go and check out my Instagram. It's @summertyrrell_. And that's Tyrrell as in Tyrrell crisps. That's what I say when people ask how to spell my name. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Why am I so weird?